INTE-AUTO S Series Coaxial Connectors with sizes ranging from 00S to 2S and offering 50 ohm or 75 ohm unipole options. Deliver reliable and high-performance connections. Featuring 360-degree EMC shielding, these connectors ensure optimal signal integrity by minimizing electromagnetic interference. These connectors are robust design, quick connection mechanism, and superior shielding make them an ideal choice for devices needing secure and interference-free connections. The S Series Coaxial Connectors are an excellent fit for indoor devices that require precise signal transmissions, such as non-destructive testing, NDT, ultrasonic inspection equipment, and amplifiers. In addition, these connectors are also commonly used in devices like radio frequency identification (RFID) systems, communication equipment, test and measurement instruments, and broadcast systems. The INTE-AUTO S Series ensures the accurate, reliable, and interference-free performance that these high-tech applications demand.